Hey, SwitchBlade Wolflake, man. Right there, SwitchBlade Wolflake. I heard you earlier on, man. I had around about 20-30 pound on you earlier on. And you were dibbing and dabbing and you had to get out of the road, middle of the road. But hey, SwitchBlade Wolflake. Hello out there, my good friend out there, SwitchBlade Wolflake. 06 Postman down under. 06 Postman, Melbourne, Australia, right there, come on. You want me to deliver mail to Moonlighter there, man? I think that's what you said, deliver mail to Moonlighter, but I don't think he's got a grip on me, man. Hey, SwitchBlade Wolflake, you got a ride, it's Saturday lunchtime. It's Saturday lunchtime right now, but hey, SwitchBlade Wolflake, good to hear you in there, big brother. Good to hear you say my name out there. Been a while since we sparked the mic and said g'day your way. SwitchBlade out there around Wolflake. Ain't nothing but 06 Postman out of Melbourne, Australia. Ain't nothing but your friend on this end with the 4 fingers and a thumb high up in the air. SwitchBlade Wolflake, Postman down under right there, come on.